Core benefit number 1, insurance. The first core benefit that might be included in your job offer is insurance. Here are the learning outcomes for this video. By the end of the video, you should 1. Understand what insurance is and why it's important. 2. Understand the most common types of insurance offered by employers. 3. Understand which insurance costs the employer pays and which ones you pay. And 4. Understand who is covered by insurance. Let's get started. Maybe the most important core benefit provided by employers is insurance. Employers typically offer several types of insurance, but before we discuss those types, let's define what insurance is. Insurance is a financial protection tool that transfers the risk of paying for something from you to an insurance company. For example, if you didn't have health insurance and you broke your leg, you would be responsible for paying all your medical bills out of your own pocket. But if you had health insurance, then you transferred some, or maybe even all, of the responsibility for paying those bills to the health insurance company. Insurance is important because it's a financial protection tool. For example, the most important use of health insurance is protecting you from paying for expensive, unexpected medical costs. Medical bills could bankrupt you without health insurance. Employers can offer several types of insurance. The most common type is health insurance, which should pay for both preventative and medically necessary health care. It typically doesn't pay for cosmetic or experimental health care. Health insurance can also cover prescription medications by offering them at lower prices. Vision insurance pays for preventative eye care, such as an annual eye exam, and maybe also for corrective eye care, such as glasses or contacts. Dental insurance pays for preventative dental care, such as teeth cleanings, for some restorative care, such as cavity fillings, and potentially for more expensive care, such as braces. Employers may offer other types of insurance as well. Life insurance pays money to a beneficiary if a specified person, who is typically either the employee or the employee's spouse, dies. Disability insurance pays for lost income as a result of a disability caused by a non-work-related injury. Disability insurance can cover short-term or long-term disability and typically only provides partial income replacement. Less common types of insurance include pet insurance, travel insurance, etc. Just because you'll have employer-provided insurance doesn't mean it's free to you. For example, premiums are what the insurance company charges your employer to provide insurance to you. Some employers might pay all your insurance premiums, but other employers might only pay a portion of your premiums, meaning you're responsible for paying the rest. Other out-of-pocket insurance costs you might pay include copays, deductibles, and co-insurance. If you're offered health insurance by an employer, then you might want to confirm what insurance costs you'll be responsible for. We'll talk a lot more about health insurance in subsequent videos. There are options in terms of who insurance covers. Insurance could cover just the employee, or the employee plus their spouse, or the whole family, which is the employee plus the spouse plus dependent children. It's also possible that the employee declines insurance coverage if the employee would rather be covered under different insurance, such as under the spouse's insurance. There is some employer-provided insurance that falls outside of benefits. First, employers are typically required to carry workers' compensation insurance, which makes medical and income replacement payments to employees who are injured while working. Second, employers pay into unemployment insurance, which provides benefits to employees who are laid off through no fault of their own. Both types of insurance are highly regulated by law. That's the end of this foundational video, but just a reminder that this video is part of a longer playlist. The playlist is in chronological order, meaning videos at the beginning of the playlist cover things that occur at the beginning of a job search and vice versa. If you liked this video, then you should check out the other videos in the playlist. If you thought this video was confusing, then try going backwards in the playlist to learn more about job search up until this point, or even forwards in the playlist to see how things come together. Thanks.